We're on our way to Tatsumi to meet Mr. Lambo Cat Man. There's 3 or 4 of us. So Max is gonna hop in the 540C over here. I'm gonna be following Chris Morrison. We got the Nissan Note and we got the 540C. Max just snaked all of us and went inside. We got Chris Morrison at the helm here, throwing the backpack in here, off to Tatsumi, but it's raining, so.
Imagine if I can get like pulled over.
Oh shit.
Tatsumi's not even gonna.
Oh man, I miss the Alfred. I really do miss the Alfred.
I know, this
damn
is
it.
awful, dude.
We're gonna hit up Tatsumi first, but check this out, guys. They got they got 2 guys waving a stick. Fucking
the guy waving on the screen and 2
and there's another guy right here. Holy shit. They really want to make sure you're safe and let you know that there's construction happening. But yes, we're in the Nissan Note. Thoughts on this so far, Chris Morrison? Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear, but it's raining pretty damn hard. We're currently headed towards Ginza, and we're going to be meeting our buddy with, we call him the Lambo Cat Man, because he's always got a cat on the dash right up here. But he's going to bring out his highly spec'd out Aventador S. He also has a Balboni, so I'll link his Instagram right up here, guys. Check him out and his cat. But it is raining like a motherfucker, so Tatsumi might be a bust, and we still got Ken Saito at the helm here at the 540C. Update.
Oh my God.
The rain is an absolute downpour. I'm gonna roll the windows down. Holy fucking hell. You know what the best part is? None of us have a...
I know.
Oh, we're such idiots. Ladies and gentlemen, we got these suckers in the fucking go-karts drenched. Oh my God, that sucks. Dude, it was pouring earlier, and there's like 15 of these guys soaked. But yeah, you guys are always wondering why I'm referring to the owner as Lambo Cat Man. Check out the cat right there, zooming, zoom, 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 zoom. She's wearing a dress. We'll get a little exclusive on the cat in a little bit, but yes, it's one of the highest spec Aventador S's in all of Tokyo right here. And by the way, I thought this exhaust was stock, or rather, I thought this exhaust was modified, but the valves are just open. It's so damn loud. And it's getting the first Balboni exhaust tomorrow, so. And he's got the original fog light right there that came from a Super Trofeo racing car. Original OEM Lambo parts. This car's got so many options. It's got the gold center locks as well. My goodness. And we got the cat. Hold on, where's the cat? Where's the cat? Oh, there she is. She's wearing a dress today. So everyone's been eyeballing the Lambo right here because we're right next to a subway station, but no one's been looking at the McLaren over there. It's all sad and lonely. Well, guys, the day has finally come. Unfortunately, I'm actually hopping in the 540C. I'm sorry, I'm not a fan of the car, but here we go. The doors do go up. We're gonna head over to a underground parking garage, or a covered parking garage, following Mr. Lambo Cat Man. And we left Chris Morrison in the fucking Nissan Note by himself. The Lambo is proving to be quite the head turner, guys. So first impressions of the 540C, the interior is very clean. Nice pops with the Aventador V12 there. The interior is actually pretty nice. I'm very comfortable in here. The engine noise, coming from the SVR, yeah, McLaren's, you guys got to fix that, man. It honestly, feeling it right now. I thought my SVR GPS was bad. Look at the goddamn McLarens. What is this? This is like pre-MapQuest or something. I don't know. But yeah, honestly, I would say both the McLaren's navigation system and the Jaguar's SVR nav system are pretty on par. All right, doors go up on the 540C. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Let me hop on out. Oh, all right. The exhaust is definitely a lot louder from the outside. That's a given, but inside it's a little underwhelming. And coming from a V8 SVR, I don't know. I'd rather choose the SVR. You heard it here, guys. I'm gonna be brutally honest with you. That's correct. And bam. Here's the Lambo cat in question. Hello. Torako. The Aventador carbon fiber options out the wazoo here, guys. And there's the infamous Lambo cat. Make sure to follow the cat right up here on Instagram. I'll link her Instagram right there, guys. We're doing a Tokyo gas vlog right here. The nozzles are coming up from the ceiling and it's a full service. We got Ken side over there filling up as well. No offense to all the McLaren owners, I'm not really feeling the 540C, so I'm gonna be hopping back into the Nissan Note here while Max Showstack gets a ride with Lambo Cat and the owner. Man, boy, I miss this car so much, Chris. Oh God, it sounded terrible.
Sounds like that, doesn't it?
Woo! Yeah. Sorry guys, you guys are McLaren fans, just don't take me too seriously. It's not my choice of car, but check out the sticker. No smoking, no eating or drinking, or animals, but apparently it's okay to crash. What just happened is, by the way, oh, hi. Oh, hi. Wow, he literally just paid for all our tolls. No way. Yeah, all the owners and everyone here in Japan has been so kind, generous, hospitable, and very accommodating. All right, here we go. Acceleration.
Foot to the floor. Foot to the floor.
Woo! Oh, dude. Yeah, it's a... Oh,
wow.
Okay, that's pretty bad.
Oh, man.
But it's pretty crazy how much like personnel they had there. They had like 6 guys with like sticks waving around, flares and everything. Oh, the heck!
God.
There's like a crane. Oh shit! I don't know. I can't even.
It's definitely an accident. There's fire trucks everywhere, dude.
Oh.
Oh fuck.
We're going on Rainbow Bridge, I think, right over there. Got the 540C and the Aventador S head to head. But we're not really doing any crazy pulls because obviously the roads are wet and there's a cat inside the Lambo, so we want to upset the cat.
Can't get over how great the roads are here. Fuck.
No, yeah. I mean, true, the tolls are pretty expensive here in Japan, but the
they
roads,
pay for the roads.
The roads are just
unlike America, where the tolls go directly in the pockets of politicians.
Whoa! Triggered squad! Tokyo Tower. Boom. Check that out. What was that noise?
I don't know.
Oh,
Anyway. We're gonna die.
We've been here a couple of times. Usually people come here when Tatsumi is either closed or rained out. So, yep. Pro tip for all you car spotters out there. Oh, there we go. Cute cat. It's a little bit dark here, guys. We're currently under some sort of highway system here. Tatsumi and Daikaku are once again closed. It's raining. And the cat's just chilling, dude. She's pretty used to this. She usually rides in the Balboni, but he just got this Aventador S about a month or 2 ago, so there she is. Where's the new Supra? There they go. JDM Mania here, guys. Actually, there aren't that many cars, but we got Lambo Cat, and that's all that matters. We got Torako the cat just chilling in the center. She knows exactly what to... Oh! No! Don't go outside, cat. No. Don't go outside. Don't do it. The vending machine game here, guys, at this stop is pretty damn incredible. We got the hot coffee, you got the cold drinks, the ice creams, you got the hot menu, and of course, you got the Family Mart vending machines right over here. Pretty damn impressive. Everything you ever wanted at Family Mart. You could get fucking 24 hours hot menu. Casual frozen foods. Oh my goodness. You got French fries. Punch it, Ken. Dude, the Nissan Note is louder.
I know.
Oh my god. Are you kidding me right now, guys?
Oh boy.
No offense to all McLaren owners. It's a beautiful, wow. We're just gonna end it right there.
It's not live on camera.